So I'd do them all.
Yeah.
All right, we already had this discussion. Line them up to where you do
that's true.
headliners. Once you can get to where you can do 2 headliners a day, then you're rocking and rolling.
Yeah, I've done it before. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you can get there.
Yeah.
And once you get a little bigger, you'll be able to get a bigger space. You know what I mean?
True.
And once you have more space, then you can have a car sitting there and a car sitting there.
Yeah, which would be sick.
Yeah. And it's not like drop
Definitely.
it off today, pick it up today, get it the hell out of here. You'll be able to like, hey, bring this by. It'll be ready tomorrow.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right. Well, what else? Fuck, dude. Tell me about these seats.
Episode's over. No.
Yeah, no shit. Here we go again, folks.
That's it, guys.
Fucking episode's over.
No, dude. Yeah, these seats are sick. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out.
No, I think they're killer. Everybody that's seen them, thinks they're bitching. They were already van seats, and Jay just kind of dismantled them and then used the pattern that was here, and then I went and bought, really bitching upholstery to have it upholstered with.
Yes, very nice.